morning guys. Today we are heading to Goa. John Bhai is in Nexon today. Okay guys, let's go. Out ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. We are going to Goa, so it's our 14th BB anniversary ride, Bangalore Bikers. So we have 32 people, where we have 5 cars and around 22 bikes. It's gonna be fun. So just now our John picked up my wife and kid in their car. So my wife, my kid, John and Moni in one car. It's gonna be fun. Awesome. 14ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಆ್ಯನಿವರ್ಸರಿ ರೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಗೋವಲ್ಲಿರೋದು 5 ದಿನ ಫುಲ್ ಮಜಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 650 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಇದೆ ಗೋವಾ. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಗುನೂ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ರೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವರು ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಂಗನ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಫು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಜಾನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಪಾಪ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನೈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆನೇ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ತುಮಕೂರು ರಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ್ ವೇಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ 100% sure we'll be on time. Nothing to worry. So namaskara. So we are right now in Tumkur road. I have around 20 minutes to go. That is 17 kilometers to reach the meeting point. And John is not riding the bike today. He is on his car. When I'm about to reach the meeting point, I'll meet you guys. Alright? Till then, see you. So hi guys. So we are now leaving from the meeting point. I have my wife and kid with me. Vihan, say hi. Say hi. See? So we are heading to the breakfast point, which is around 2.5 hours, 176 kilometers. We just got upgraded to group 1. So we are going with our Suresh, Veti leader. Yeah bro, we are heading to Goa. So we are 90 kilometers away from chitradurga. ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. What a view man. Wow. Weather is nice. It should not rain till I go to Goa. Please don't rain. Innೇನು breakfast point ಬಂತು. I think we are almost near breakfast point. We have around half an hour to go. ಇವಾಗ ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. We just had our breakfast in Mysore cafe. This is near Chitradurga, near the bypass. So from here we are heading to the lunch point. I think that is around 120, 130. I don't know. I'll see the map and let you guys know. Till then, see you. Bye Vian. ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೈಸೂರು ಕೆಫೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We have around 100 kilometers where we are planning to do a pit stop again. somewhere near Ranibennur. ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಗನ್ ಏನು ಗಾಳಿ ಗುರು, ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು. ಗಾಳಿ ಗುರು, ಸಖತ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಇದೆ. So we just stopped for a small pit stop, juice break. From here another 300 kilometers is Goa. So we will be taking a diversion from Hubballi and from there heading to the location. Alright, let's go guys. Let's have fun. ಏನು ವೆದರ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು, ಸೂಪರ್ ವೆದರ್. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೋಡು ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಖತ್ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಇದೆ. ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒದ್ದಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. We just had our lunch. Now we are heading to the destination. It looks like it's going to rain all the way, but let's see. So far it's been drizzling, not that badly. The road looks dry. It looks like it's about to start. That's what I think. Morning everybody. We actually reached Goa yesterday by 7:30. I couldn't record because it was raining. So today what we are doing is we are heading to Suresh and Archana's place, the Vetty Rider. That is their Instagram tag and YouTube channel. So I would request you to subscribe them. They actually give out great content. They do a lot of travel vlogs, moto vlog, and they're wonderful. And we are going to their house now, so we will be having lunch there, and from there we are planning to visit few nice places which they know. raining all day yesterday. Today it's so sunny, so hot and humid. But let's see. In a location, 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 20 minutes to go. Or it was around what? 20 kilometers? But a lot of narrow roads. So that's the reason. Alright, I'll catch you at the breakfast point or the meeting point. Alright guys, so we are going to one waterfall. Suresh is taking us to the waterfall now. And you know what? I have my son with me. Look back, Vihan. Look back, look back. Look, Daddy. Hi. Hi. This is rock cut caves. We are here. So nice.
Hey. Hey.
So we just now reached the waterfalls. So we just have to walk for 2 minutes. This is the parking spot. And we'll see the waterfalls and then come back and go to Suresh and Anchana's place for lunch. So, what waterfalls is this? Arbalam waterfall. So we are near Arbalam waterfalls right now. And this is the waterfall. Hi guys, we just finished the waterfall.
Yeah.
So heading back to Suresh and Archana's house for lunch. I'm with my son today. We are going for lunch.
Yeah.
In Suresh and Archana's place.
Yes.
We're going for lunch to
Yeah.
Suresh and Archana's place. Yes. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಂಡಿ We just finished our lunch. We are heading to the new location in Goa where Suresh and Archana is taking us. ವೆದರ್ ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೀನಿಕ್ ರೂಟು. ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಅದು ಬರೀ ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು, ಬರೀ ಗೋವಲ್ಲಿರೋರ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಬ್ರೆತ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. We are closing almost near the bridge. Look at the route. Yappa. Looks very crazy. I just got to know the name of the bridge. It's called Viewpoint Bridge. This is how the route is. Very, very narrow. Just for one car or a bike to pass. Bikes can go, but yeah, one car can pass together. But crazy road. None of them outside Goa knows this route. People in Goa knows this location. Awesome. Oh, the location is here. Looks like it's gonna be very, very nice. So we are heading back from the bridge now. Bridge was actually ultimate. So we are heading back to the resort. So I might stop recording because it's raining. I'll catch you back at the resort, guys. Take care. Bye.